Alright, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to Software Engineering Motivation. I'm super excited that I'm making this video right now, and also I'm appreciating for your life. I'm appreciating God for your life, you that is out there also watching this video. Alright, in a quick one, I just want to be talking about what I learned today from me learning Express. Like I said earlier, I believe in my last project, in my last video I talked about, my previous video I talked about where the project, my authentication system we built, and also why I built the system. And in this video I just want to talk about what I learned newly today from me learning Express, because currently I'm doing two things at a time right now. I'm currently learning Express, which is backend for backend, and also I'm building projects for me to master Express completely. And what did I learn today? I learned how to connect a database, and I learned how to connect my MongoDB to Express. Alright, first of all, also the resource I use is Cloud API, right? It was one who taught me this today. This is what I just learned today. Right, the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is the .env file, the environment variable file that we do create, .env, and inside that file we are going to store three things. First of all, we are going to store the Mongo URL, we are going to store the port, and also we are going to store my secret key. Right, those are the three things you store. Like I said again, we are going to store the MongoDB URL, we are going to store my secret key, and we are going to store the port number. And also another thing that we also do, another thing I also learned today is how to now connect my database to my server, which is the backend. And also there, I think we are going to use async JavaScript to do that. We are going to create a function, and async function called connect DB, right? You can call him whatever name you want, and we are going to await the line that we are going to use to connect. Because mind you, there's also another thing that, and there's you are I'm sorry, well, there's some and library we are going to install. We call it the .env, where in our server we are going to call we are going to require the .env, and we are going to do .config. I just hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I believe senior dev or people that might be watching this, they might understand this. Alright, so those are some of the things that I learned today: how to connect my database, and also how to write the async function code, right? And I also learned process.env.exit. I don't know if, oh gosh, I hope you guys are understanding me. .exit, right, to stop the database in case an error occurs. So those are some of the things I learned today from me connecting my database to my server. You see that I'm currently making mistakes to show that I'm not perfect yet. I'm just documenting my journey. So thank you very much once again, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. And also mind you, we have a vision of building a national surveillance system that's going to scale across the 36 states in Nigeria. Currently right now I'm in React. So by God grace, you are going to be done with front end, and we are going to in future to move into AI. So thank you very much.